If you've lost your iPhone or suspect it has been stolen, using the Find My iPhone feature can help you track its location and protect your personal information. This feature allows you to see your device's correct location, play a sound to help you find it, and even remotely lock or erase it. Here's how to effectively use Find My iPhone to track your lost or stolen device. Solution 1. Enable Find My iPhone. Open the Settings app on your iPhone. Tap on your Apple ID at the top of the screen. Scroll down and tap on Find My iPhone. Toggle on Find My iPhone and send Last Location. This ensures your device's location is sent to Apple when the battery is critically low. Solution 2. Locate your device. Visit iCloud.com, open Safari or any other browser on your device like mobile or PC. Type iCloud.com from any web browser or open Find My app on another Apple device. Sign in with your Apple ID and password. Tap the dot icons right next to the profile. Click on Find iPhone or tap on it in the app. Select your lost device from the list. You will see its location on a map. Solution 3. Use available options. Play sound. If your device is nearby, click on Play sound to make it ring, helping you find it. Mark as lost. If you can't find it, select Mark as lost. This will lock your device with a passcode and display a custom message with your contact number on the lock screen. Erase iPhone. If you believe your device is stolen and you want to protect your data, select Erase iPhone. This will delete all data on the device, preventing unauthorized access. That's how to use Find My iPhone to find out your stolen phone and iPhone. Still have questions? Please let me know in the comments. Thanks for watching.